Graphene is a 2D material. It's super strong, conductive for both heat and electricity. It's an amazing material. I founded Graphnotech in 2017 with a mission to solve industrial problems and make this amazing material available for different industrial sectors. As an inventor for a new material, you start to love the material you are working with. This material starts to get as a part of you. You start to even dream about new formulations of this material.